We've all been there. You call a business and you're stuck in a loop with a robot that doesn't understand a word you're saying. It's frustrating for customers and a massive headache for companies. But today, I want to show you a website that is changing that entire experience, Vapi. Vapi is a platform built for developers to create advanced voice AI agents that actually feel human. We're talking about AI that doesn't just read a script, but moves the needle for businesses. And the scale is already massive. Over 500,000 developers have used it to launch more than 2.5 million assistants, powering over 300 million calls. So, how does it actually work? It's surprisingly simple. Vapi uses a 3-step workflow to get you from an idea to a live agent. Choose your workflow. You can pick from thousands of pre-made templates or build a custom one from scratch. Plug it in. This is the flexible part. You can integrate these agents into your existing telephony, your website, or even directly into your mobile app. Go live. Once it's plugged in, you're done. You can handle millions of calls and monitor exactly how they're performing in real time. What makes Vapi really stand out for the tech-savvy crowd is how configurable it is. It's API native, meaning everything is exposed as an API with thousands of possible integrations. If you have a specific AI model you love, you can bring your own keys for transcription, large language models or LLMs, or text-to-speech. You can even use tool calling, which lets your AI agent intelligently talk to your own servers to fetch data or perform actions while on the phone. But the real secret sauce? Latency. For a voice AI to feel real, there can't be a long pause after you speak. Vapi operates with sub-500 milliseconds latency, which is incredibly fast. Plus, it supports over 100 languages, so you can build agents that speak English, Spanish, Mandarin, and many more. For those worried about reliability, they've got 99.99% uptime and built-in AI guardrails to prevent those weird hallucinations where the AI starts making things up. They are also SOC 2, HIPAA, and PCI compliant, making them secure enough for healthcare and financial services. Whether you're a developer at a startup or a Fortune 500 company, Vapi is making voice AI simple and accessible. If you want to join the movement and see what 250,000 other devs are building, head over to their site and check out the docs to get started.